Hello kids, let's learn numbers 1 to 10 and colors name. Blue color, violet color, light pink color, orange color, red color, sky blue color, green color, light green color, pink color, yellow color, brown color. Let's fill the colors. Yellow color 0, brown color 1, 1 circle, light green color 2, 1, 2, 2 circles, pink color 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 circles, orange color 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 circles, red color 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 circles, blue color 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 circles, light pink color 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 circles, sky blue color 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 circles, green color 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8 circles, violet color 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 circles. Black color 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 circles. Let's revise. 0 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 plus 0 is equals to 10. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to Knockits. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.